Hello guys, welcome to Theory channel. This is the first video in my channel, and actually in this channel we're gonna talk about computation theory, algorithm, I don't know, logic gate, and something like these theories. And for our first video, we want to start solve every question in Sipser. Okay, we will start from chapter 1. We will skip chapter 0 actually, and we will start from chapter 1, DFAs and NFAs, actually regular languages, and we will go on and we will reach CFGs and then Turing machine and so on. So that's it. Let's start the first question. Okay, as you can see here, this is the first question in DFAs. The question is that the following are the state diagrams of two DFAs. DFAs mean deterministic finite automata, M1 and M2. Answer the following question about each of these machines. Okay, first, as you know, we will define DFAs like this: Q, sigma, transition function, Q0, and F. And Q is a finite set of states. Okay, sigma, again, finite set of here alphabet. Okay. Our transition function is something like this: Q dot alphabet. Okay, something like this. And Q0 is our first state, or better I say a start state, and F again, finite set of accept states, that we know that F is subset of Q. Okay, so first we will define M1. M1 is something like this. If you want to write it here, Q is finite set, so we'll write it like this: Q1, Q2, and Q3. And then our alphabet is A and B. And actually I don't want to write the full transition function here, and I just talk about it in our question. Okay, so like this, and our start state is Q1, and our accept state is Q2. Okay, so first let's answer the question about M1 DFA. So our first question is that what is the start state? So based on this, our start state is Q1. So the answer for first question is Q1. Next question, B. What is the set of accept states? So our accept state is Q2. So that's it. C. What sequence of state does the machine go through on input AABB? So actually this is something like this. As you can see here, first we will start from Q1. When we will see A, we will go to Q2, and then again we will go to Q3 here, and after we see B, we will go to Q1 again, and with another B, we will stay in Q1. So we will be in Q1 actually. Or if I want to write it completely, we have to say that first we are in Q1, we see A and go to Q2, we see A and go to Q3, and we see B and we will go to Q1 again, and actually sorry here, yes, Q1, and again with another B we will stay in Q1. So this is something like this. And the final question is that does the machine accept the string epsilon? Um, we know that in DFA we will accept epsilon alphabet when our start state is our accept state, and in here we don't have this condition, so we have to say no. Actually, I forget to answer question number 4D. D is that does the machine accept the string AABB, and we have to say that no, because the Q1 is not our accept state. Okay, and now let's go to M2. So again, we have to define M2. Our Q is Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. And our alphabet again is A and B. And we have our transition function, okay, and our start state is Q1, and set of accept state is Q1 and Q4 actually. So that's it. Let's answer the question. What is the start state? Based on our definition, our start state is Q1. So answer for first question is Q1. And the second question is that what is the set of accept states? The answer for second question is Q1 and Q4. Okay, that's it. What sequence of states does the machine go through on input A, B? Okay. Question C. Uh, First in here, actually, when we see A, first we will join the DFA, we will enter the DFA actually, and after we see A, we will stay in Q1, and another A, we will stay in Q1. And after that, we will see B, we go to Q2 here, and with another B, we will go to Q4. So the final question is Q4, and if again I want to write it completely, is that first we are in Q1, we see A and go to again Q1, another A and stay in Q1. After we see a B and we'll go to Q2, actually yes, and another B and we will go to Q4. So that's it. The question number 4D, does the machine accept a string AABB? We have to say that yes, in here it's accept because our final state is Q4 and Q4 is in our accept states. So the answer is yes. And the final question is that does the machine accept a string epsilon? Actually, in here, as you can see, our start state is our accept state Q1. So in here, we have to say yes. The answer is yes. Okay, so now as you can see, we define the DFA and we define the DFA for M1 and M2. We answered the question, and that's it. That's the first problem in Sipser textbook. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry about my accent, actually I'm not so good in English, but I hope it helped you. uh, if you like this video, like the video and leave some comments and subscribe our channel. I hope to see you next day. Goodbye.